Joe, the sounders, what are, in terms of what they're observing, can you give us some examples of things that maybe we have captured that are significant? So I think you've shown us some of the scans, cyclone
Right.
here, different storm. What's so special about them? Like, what is it that we're getting we couldn't before?
Yeah, so the sounders are really incredible instruments, and they're great at capturing the things that cause precipitation and the precipitation itself. So that's why they're so good and are so powerful for improving the skill of the nowcast. So the sounders can see through the thin clouds that on normal conventional infrared or visible imagery you would see, and it can tell which of those clouds are producing rain and which ones aren't. And so we have that information now that goes into improving the nowcast. We're also seeing the water vapor at 4 different levels of the atmosphere with the sounding channels. And that can go into the models that can then, by knowing more precisely how much water vapor is in the atmosphere, then they can better predict how much of that water vapor will condense into clouds and precipitation. And so we're going to get an accuracy improvement, not just in the 0 to 3 hour, but out to several days by having this extra water vapor information and by having better coverage than we currently get from other satellites. So the sounders are really powerful in bringing both of those data points into the models that we use.